So coming back from the previous video, we had drawn two rooms here. So below this room, what is the next room? Let us see. So this is actually drawing room, and this is dining. Okay, so this is drawing or hall, you can say, and this is the dining. So below the dining room there is bedroom. So that is 3.65 meter horizontally, 3.35 meter vertically. So now this wall will serve as common wall between dining room and the bedroom. Okay, this wall, because it is the common wall. This is the common wall between these two rooms. So now how much we have to take? 3.65. So here you can see from here to here it is already 3.65, right? So the same marking we can give here up to 3.65. So from this point to this point it is already 3.65. What is the vertical dimension we had to give? 3.35 like this. So let us take here. So maybe up to here we can take. So we'll complete this. So this is 3.65 like this and 3.35 like this. So we have to give wall thickness to this line. So that is 230 mm or 0.23 centimeter when converted to scale. So this line give wall thickness 0.23 centimeter. And to this line give wall thickness. So this is join. Okay. So that is from this wall to this wall it is 0.23 centimeter. So just measure 0.23 centimeter wherever you want to give the wall thickness. This is what I meant. Okay, so let us write down this dimension also. It is 3.65 by 3.35. It is bedroom. So this is over now. So then what are the rooms that we have to convert or we have to guess now? So that is the kitchen. So next is kitchen, that is 2.36 by 3.65. So that is on top of the dining room. So now this wall we had not given wall thickness. So let us give 230 mm wall thickness there, right? So let us take this one. So this is over. But what happens here is this wall is to be extended like this, right? Because see here, this is one wall right from the bedroom, it is going up to the kitchen. So here what we will do, so we will not take the wall like this, we will continue the wall like this. Okay. So now this dining is over now. So this is 3.65. So up to here it is 3.65. So on the top of the dining room we need to give kitchen, which is having 2.36 meter horizontal and 3.65 meter vertical. So let me mark the 2.36. Okay, somewhere here we can take, and 3.65 meter like this vertically. So let us take 3.65 meter vertically like this and 2.36 like this. Okay, so this is what. So to this wall give wall thickness. See here, we continued this wall, right? So then to this wall give wall thickness, then join like this. Now this is over. To this wall again we have to give wall thickness. So 230 mm can take like this. Now let us write down this. So this is kitchen 2.36 by 3.65. Then we have to go to the side now. What is the side room now? So it is bathroom cum water closet. Similarly to the other side also the same room is there. And both these rooms are having same dimension, 1.22 meter horizontal, 2.13 meter vertical. So let us come here. So from this line I will extend 1.22. So near about we have to extend like this now. Okay, so this is 1.22. so this wall you can extend completely till here, but this is the vertical dimension, that is why I have taken only this much. So see here, this is 3.65 meter for the kitchen, but for the bathroom or water closet it is 2.13. so I have taken the line up to almost 2.13. okay, so now to this line give wall thickness, so it will be 230 mm. so continue this here, so it will be like this. So again to this wall give wall thickness, so this is over, right? So we have to complete this rectangle, right? So this is 1.22, 2.13, again 1.22, again 2.13. so we'll complete this line here. This is 1.22 like this, 2.13 like this. So bathroom come water closet, 1.22 horizontally, 2.13 vertically. So now to this line again I have to give wall thickness, so we'll join like this. Similarly we are having the same room to the side also, so we'll take that also 1.22. okay, and for this line give wall thickness, join like this, and again to this line give wall thickness, so we'll take like this. Again this is 1.22, 2.13, again 1.22 line draw and 2.13 line draw, and here again draw like this. So this is same thing, bathroom or water closet, 1.22 by 2.13. so then we have to go further to extend. So here to this line let us give wall thickness. Okay, so we'll join like this. So you are left out with another room here, that is bedroom. So 3.30 like this, 3.65 like this. So okay, we have to extend this. So 3.30, and how much we have to give downward, it is 3.65. so 3.65 means here kitchen also the same thing, right? 3.65. so if you continue this, it will be here up to here, right? So give wall thickness to this, join, give wall thickness to this, it is 3.65 now. Okay, so then we have to join like this one and this one. So here how this is how much, 3.30, this is 3.65, again 3.30, so we will join it like this, and obviously wall thickness have to be joined here. Okay, so this is the bedroom, 3.30 by 3.65. so in the next video let us see how we are going to join. If at all any other mistakes are there, let us see, and how we are going to fit the door and window, let us see in the next video.